Have you heard about a one-day implant or teeth in the same day? The clinical term is immediate loading, and I've been practicing this for more than 2 decades. It will allow the restorations of speech, showing, neural function immediately. But here is exactly where the confusions and the misleading information starts. For example, you don't get your final prosthesis that day, you get a temporary acrylic bridge. So let me expand and explain a little bit more on this. So let's go through the process. First, we do a diagnostic clinical exam and we take photos. Then we use our digital scan to make the impression. And we use our 3D printer to fabricate the models. We then take an in-office CT scan and we use the information to evaluate the amount of bone and to finalize the treatment plan. At the day of surgery, we perform the teeth removal and place the implants immediately. Then we fabricate a fixed temporary bridge in the same day, so our patients will walk out with the functional temporary right away. Soft diet will be recommended for the healing time though. After 2 to 3 months of healing, we start making the final bridge, and that might take between 1 to 2 months of fabrication time. The results are amazing, and the procedure in our hands, predictable and safe. To learn more about this procedure, please don't hesitate to call us or visit our website and set up your complimentary consultation.